If you decide to go to Little Havana, don't go on a tour bus. Do it this way. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Little Havana. Let's see what's good. Come on. Every morning in Little Havana starts with café con leche.
Yeah? ¿Cuánto peso?
A $1, maybe $2, no problema. $1 only.
$1.
No, yo siempre tiro la piedra.
Gracias.
Claro.
Gracias, señor.
It's Caribbean custom to have your coffee with toasted bread, but this empanada was the greatest of all time. Before this video, I was looking rough. Shout out to the original Cuban Barbershop.
Hola.
How you doing? 1512 Southwest 8th Street, the Cuban Menswear, where you can find your best and wonderful Guayabera shirt. How's that? All right, 1800. This was worn for the Cuban farmer. Here is for the cigars. Here is for the guava fruits. The guava fruits, cigars. And then here on the side, check out this side here. See this open slit? You take out your machete easily and done. Check this out. Look, in the back of the Guayabera is actually the Cuban flag. See it? You put a star here and your stripe, it's a Cuban flag. Boom. There you go. Come get your Guayabera at 1512 Southwest 8th Street, the Cuban Menswear. And ask for Big Papa.
Señor, una pregunta. ¿Cuánto? 6. Un coco, por favor. Gracias, señor. Oh, perdóname. Gracias. Gracias. Cuba.
If you're into nightlife action, Ball and Chain is a great option. The legacy of cigar smoking is huge for Cubans. Little Havana has many places to buy cigars. Most places provide seating and allow you to get your drink on with a cigar going. Unless you have health problems or are nursing, I definitely recommend trying out one of these cigar spots in Little Havana. My mom keeps asking me if I smoke, and I don't. I just do cigars when I'm in Miami or in Mexico. Welcome to the wall of famous Cubanos and Tito Puente. All right, let's go eat.
¿Quieres pasar al salón?
Ropa vieja is a sweet shredded stewed beef, which is generally served with rice and beans. It is one of the national dishes of Cuba. Domino Park is where the viejos earn their bragging rights until the next game.
Señor, ¿usted habla inglés o no? ¿Habla inglés? Sí. How long has it been closed?
I don't know.
No? Okay.
In 1961, Brigade 2506, made up of Cuban exiles, attempted to take Cuba from former revolutionary commander turned dictator Fidel Castro Ruz. Although they fought well, they ran out of ammunition and were forced to surrender. This monument is in their memory. If you find yourself a little bit Cuban out while on Calle Ocho, try out El Santo.
Hola. ¿Reposado?
¿Reposado?
Sí.
¿Al blanco, añejo o reposado?
Reposado.
¿Lime?
No.
Okay.
This lady right here.
Lady?
Mm-hmm.
Your lady.
Gracias.